Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a fragrance review of a pretty iconic name, the JIMMY Choo Le Parfum. It's a liquid perfume, 2 fluid ounces, promising a long-lasting scent experience. We're looking at a blend of juicy pear, golden gardenia, and blackberry on top, with jasmine absolute, patchouli, and ambrette in the heart, finished off by sandalwood, moss, and praline in the base. So no fluff here. Just a straightforward look at how it performs and whether it deserves a spot in your collection. Right off the bat, the scent profile intrigued me. That mix of fruity, floral, and gourmand notes is designed to create a bold, playful vibe. The pear and blackberry bring a juicy sweetness up front, but it's balanced by the creamy warmth of praline and the earthy, slightly musky sandalwood and moss at the dry down. This isn't a delicate or subtle perfume. It's got presence, meant to turn heads. In terms of application, the bottle is sleek and fits nicely in the hand, which makes spritzing easy and precise. The liquid itself has a good concentration, which is important for longevity, and honestly, that's where this perfume shines. I wore it through a full day of errands and even into a dinner out, and it held strong. It's definitely in that long-lasting category, which is what you want when you're investing in a designer scent. Now, about real-world wearability, I found it versatile, especially for evening or cooler weather. The sweetness from the praline and pear could feel a bit heavy in very hot conditions, but otherwise, it blends nicely with your natural skin chemistry. The jasmine and patchouli add that classic floral earthy touch that keeps it from being too sugary. It's sophisticated but with a fun, youthful edge. Is it easy to layer? Yes, I tried pairing it with a subtle body lotion, and it enhanced the scent without overpowering. That's a plus if you like building your fragrance. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. The texture and spray mechanism are excellent, no issues there. The scent itself is complex and intriguing, with a well-balanced fruity-floral-gourmand combo that lasts. Packaging is luxurious but understated, fitting the brand's image well. On the flip side, some might find the sweetness a bit much if you prefer fresher or more minimalist fragrances. Also, at its price point, it's definitely a splurge. It's not the kind of perfume you pick up on a whim, it's more of a statement piece. Speaking of price, this is where you really consider if it's worth it. Given the quality of the ingredients and how long it lasts, I'd say it's justified for those who love designer perfumes and want something that stands out. If you're budget conscious, there are lighter fruity floral scents out there with similar vibes, but they may lack the same depth or staying power. Comparing it to other designer gourmand perfumes, JIMMY Choo Le Parfum holds its own. It's not trying to mimic, but rather carve out its own niche with that playful yet sophisticated aroma. It's less common than some big-name gourmand scents, which could be a plus if you want something a bit unique. The build quality of the bottle is solid, with a nice weight and a durable feel. It's the kind of design that looks great on your vanity and won't feel cheap after a few months. Since it's a parfum concentration, the shelf life tends to be longer than lighter eau de toilettes, so expect your investment to last quite a while. I haven't had to reach out to customer support, but JIMMY Choo generally has a good reputation for handling queries and product issues efficiently, which adds a layer of confidence. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you're curious about alternatives, you could check out brands like Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb or Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium for a similar gourmand vibe, though each carries its own signature twist. They might be slightly less pricey, but you'll trade off some uniqueness or longevity. To wrap it up, JIMMY Choo Le Parfum is a bold, long-lasting scent with a sophisticated blend of fruity, floral, and gourmand notes. It's perfect for those who enjoy a statement fragrance with playful charm and aren't shy about a touch of sweetness. If you want a perfume that's going to stay with you through the day and night, this one fits the bill. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link down in the description and comments below. If you've used this perfume, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.